Hey guys, Audi Q7 2011 engine SATA. Today I'm going to be changing this fill filter. This is a part number right here, and also it's over here like that, and that's a direction where the filter is going to go, and there is a direction right here, so those arrows will point to the cab. That's how it's going to be sitting. And today I'm going to show you how to change this filter. So basically we'll need to take this clamp off, and then slide the filter out, put a new one in, put the hoses back in, clamps back in, and then we can prime the filter and start the car. First I'm going to use a rag to stop some fuels that will be dripping. So I'm going to set it over here. Another one I'm going to set it over here. I'll probably use this one's bigger. So I'll fit this one here, like that. I'll fit that one over here, like that. Now I'll use those pliers to take the clamp off. So we got a pinch here and slide it. All right, one is done. Now I'm gonna do another one. All right, just like that. So now, as I'm gonna be taking this hose off, probably will be some fuel running out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull this plug out, and as I'm gonna be pulling this hose out, I'm gonna put this plug on the old filter to stop the fuel dripping. Okay, I'm gonna have to break them loose slightly, turn like that. Yep. Okay, here on the end, a little slow. I'll prepare this plug. Rag also. Oh, there's nothing coming out. That's good. All right, now we're gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna break it loose with the pliers slightly. Yep, it's coming out. So now I'm gonna get this plug ready and do the same thing. Yep, fuel's coming out. So I'm gonna put this plug on this filter. These are out. Now I'm gonna twist this filter out of those rubber mounts. Yeah, that's why this filter fools. That's why you have to use those things, because as you're gonna be pulling, you're gonna spill out a lot of fuel and make the mess here. So that's why, and I can tell this thing is full. So now, as I told you guys before, make sure you follow the order, which one the arrow should be facing to the cab. So now I'm inserting this one. And we can adjust that later, but now I'm gonna slide the hose on, just like that. Now I'm gonna do the same in here. Just like that. And now I can adjust this. All right, so now the clamps. This one's kind of going hard. All right. Here's one. And here's another one. All right, that's it. I can take those rags off. And now we're gonna prime the fuel into the filter. So we're not starting the car. You don't want to start the car. So all what you want is just get the key in, turn, and let the pump work. So I'm gonna cycle the key. So I did one. Now I'm gonna do it again. So that's how you change your fuel filter. I drained this filter, so this thing is empty now. Drain it in this empty bottle, and guys, look how dirty the fuel, the diesel. And I'm gonna try to tip it. There's a lot of dirt here on the bottom. I'm gonna try to tip it and see if the camera will catch it to show you that dirt. You can see it falling here. Yep, right there. There's a lot of leftover on the bottom. So you gotta regularly change this filter.